There's a couple of ways to make your Android keyboard bigger. If you're using the standard Gboard, you can tap the four little tiles on the top left corner of your keyboard, and from the options that show up, you'll choose Resize. You can then stretch and resize the keyboard, although there is a limit for how much you can resize it. Tap Done when you're happy with the size, and your keyboard will now default to its new size. If you don't like it, you can always go back and use the Reset button to reset it to the default size. If you want something larger than what the standard Gboard allows, another option would be to go to the Play Store and download a custom keyboard. If you search for Big Keyboard or Large Keyboard, you'll see a bunch of different custom keyboards that can be downloaded and installed on your phone. I've tried a couple of these and, personally, I'm not a fan, so I can't really recommend any specific keyboard. But I do know that there are a lot of custom keyboards that are designed for either a simplified look or for senior users. So, depending on your use case, some of these could actually be a good alternative option. A lot of them allow you not only to resize the keyboard to a bigger size, but also change the color and contrast so the buttons are easier to see. If you're on a Samsung phone and using the Samsung keyboard, the steps are similar. You'll tap the little gear icon to view your keyboard settings and then scroll down to Size and Transparency. You can then resize the keyboard, but this one has even less flexibility than the standard Gboard has. I guess it's better than nothing, but it won't change the standard size by much. Anyways, that's how you make your keyboard bigger. Click that like button if this helped, share with a friend who needs a bigger keyboard, and subscribe for more quick guides like this. Thanks all, I'll see you in the next one.